Okay, so welcome back. Now we're going to do some classification of angles. Okay, so these are the basic classifications of angles that you will see. An acute angle. So I'm not going to write out the definition. I'm just going to talk, and you can pause and write it down. So an acute angle is any angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay, so greater than 0, less than 90. Okay, so that would be an acute angle. Okay, an obtuse angle would be anything that's greater than 90 but less than 360. Okay, greater than 90 but less than 360. And then a right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. And of course, we always use symbolism to show that because otherwise we can't really assume that it's 90 degree angle. So we use this square angle in the middle of our angle symbol. So this would represent a right angle. Okay. Or if we had, if we just wrote an angle, and if we had an angle, let's say this, and we just saw an angle like that, we couldn't assume, even though it looks like a right angle, we couldn't assume that it is a right angle unless it had the square angle there. Okay? So again, pictures can be deceiving, so just make sure you look for that symbol. Otherwise, you cannot assume that it's a right angle. Now, the other thing about right angles is that if you do have a right angle, then you know that these two sides are what we call perpendicular. Perpendicular simply means two lines that intersect at right angles. Okay, so if you know that two sides, so if you have two lines, and you know that those two lines are perpendicular, okay, so if you know that those two lines are perpendicular, then all that's saying is, hey, I know that these two lines intersect at right angles, and I can then say, yes, these are indeed right angles. Or vice versa. If I know that these two lines intersect and create right angles like this, if I have something like this, then I can then say, yes, these are perpendicular lines. Okay? So that's special. That's a special characteristic of a right angle. And then finally, we have straight angles. A straight angle is just another particular angle, is a special angle that's 180 degrees. Okay, whereas a right angle is 90 degrees, a straight angle is just an angle that measures as 180 degrees. So it's just basically just a straight line. Okay, so if you had something like this, then that would just be a straight angle. Okay, and that's about it. So again, acute angles are between 0 and 90. Obtuse angles are between 90 and 180. Okay? And right angles are 90 and straight angles are 180. I think I said, I might have made a mistake here. I think I might have said between 90 and 360, but that's incorrect. So an obtuse angle is between 90 and 180, just in case I misspoke a while ago. And that's it. So those are the definitions for different classifications of angles, and we'll do some examples. Bye.